Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like usual, today I want share to you all about news, trading, or Brainerd that says crypto needs regulation. Now, before it becomes so big that it threatens financial system. Okay, find Federal Reserve Vice Chair Lyle Brainerd said Friday that regulation is needed or the industry could become a wider danger to the financial system. The lack of regulation guidelines has been a confusing and troublesome issue for the crypto industry. Despite this year's crash in the price of Bitcoin, US regulators continue to call attention to the industry potential growth and reach as well as the potential consequences of not having a clear framework for it. Federal Reserve Vice Caroline Brennan became the latest official to speak out on crypto, saying Friday that regulation is needed or the industry could become a wider danger. Innovation has the potential to make financial services faster, cheaper, and more inclusive, and to do so in ways that are native to the digital ecosystem. She said in a speech at a Bank of England conference in London, "It is important that the foundation for sound regulation of the crypto financial system be established now before the crypto ecosystem becomes so large of interconnected that it might pose risks to the stability of the broader financial system." The lack of regulation has been a confusing and troublesome issue for the crypto industry, whose participants are keen to develop and expand business but are unclear on the regulatory parameters within which they can do so. Despite this year's crash, the price of Bitcoin is currently about 17% below its November all-time high of $60 billion. US regulators continue to call attention to the industry potential growth and reach as well as the potential consequences of not having a clear framework for it. Brennan's comments come a month after Cynthia Loomis and Kristen Brandt for crypto that will empower the Commodity Futures Trading Commission to regulate most of the industry earlier this year. President Joe Biden announced an executive order on cryptocurrencies that attempted to fix the lack of framework for crypto deployment in the US. Brainerd on Friday highlighted the volatile nature of cryptocurrency prices. She also pointed to reason even that have further pressured crypto prices and soured sentiment. Specifically, the cost of data as well as attempt to create the cancelled stablecoin and the current liquidity crisis, including their Arles capital. New technology and financial engineering cannot by themselves convert risky asset into into Simon's Brainerd side. Maybe just this we can continue next time maybe. And before that, don't forget don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watch this video.